They're lost, and it's my quest to find them. They've got to be out there somewhere. Where could they be? Hey, wait! That looks like Jake's hat. Let me take this. Oh boy. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a hat and a snack. I'm gonna save these for later. Hey, isn't that Courtney's hat? Where are they? Where are they? I'm tired of this. Hey, isn't that Ashley's hat? Well, that nature trail was fun, right guys? Yeah, what do you want to do now?
I was about to get him a frisbee.
Yeah. But guys, before we play, does anybody want to try these? I found them on the nature trail. I think they're dried up berries.
I think that's poo.
Yeah. They're really good, guys. You sure you don't want to try some?
We're good.
Really?
Yeah.
More for me.